Question is, will I ever leave you? And the answer is no, 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 no.
We got a baby brother around here. Where's the baby brother?
Question is,
Come on now, baby brother. It's Peter.
will I ever leave you? And the answer is no, 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 no.
Oh, I love the Lord. He's so good to me. And he died that I might be free. I was asked this question years ago, and the answer is still no.